my sister, good morning, oh, good morning. See, they have demolished my house. I was in the hospital. They just called me that they have started demolishing our house.
Hello, my people. All of us, we know how this story waka. Yesterday, 3rd of May 2023, I carry my leg waka go this place. And people, when I follow talk, they give me more information about this demolition. I will shortly show you the video of the interview. Okay, introduce yourself. Start by introducing yourself.
My name is UC&UD. And I'm an operative under Napster.
Okay. So what happened that this place was demolished?
I knew from the landlords living around here that this issue has been more than 10 years.
You can speak pidgin English.
That this issue has been more than 10 years.
Okay.
And they've told them that this land is for the national airport, Nigeria airport, you know, and there are pipelines under it. And there are also high tensions, which you can see.
Yeah.
And this is not, it's not good for a residential area.
Yeah.
And the government has been trying to do all their best to let this woman understand that it's not a residential environment. But they keep still building houses on it. So the enforcement officers from LAPSCA ensure that this time around, such should stop. Of which we have taken our duties to ensure that life and property in Nigeria is safe.
So approximately it has been over 10 years,
10 years.
that government have been talking to them.
Yes.
And they did not hear and they keep building. Okay. So government decided now to come and enforce the law. It's not that because Igbo people did not vote for Tinubu, that is why Tinubu is breaking their houses.
No. That is not the particular issue. That's not even inside of it. Tinubu was not 10 years ago when they started them all this stuff.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, my name is John Zino. I have to come here for a fact-finding mission to actually know the truth of what is happening here. And from the few people I've interviewed on camera and off camera, this is not a 2023 election issue. This is a purely issue of illegal encroachment. It's encroaching into property that is not supposed to be a residential place, a land that there is a pipeline, and it is not good for people to be living very close to the pipeline and the high tension. So this